Hey there, Andrew here with South Appalachian Weather with, I guess you could call this a bit of a special edition briefing for the weather that we're anticipating. It's May 1st as of when I'm recording this on a Friday, and we've got a cold snap, a late season cold snap coming in that may actually yield some frost and possibly even some light freezing conditions across our area Sunday morning and also stretching into Monday morning as we head into this upcoming week. So I'm not even going to show a map because right now the temperature forecast is still oscillating a little bit. I'm not really comfortable showing you something that we just don't have a lot of confidence in. But here's what we do know. We've got a cold front that's going to be working its way through our area here over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, we are expecting some more of that much needed rainfall, about a ½ an inch area wide, in fact, that'll continue to help alleviate the drought we've been experiencing. Now, on the heels of that cold front, the wind is going to be coming from the north, and low temperatures are forecast pretty much area wide in the mid to low 30s on Sunday morning. Now, what that means is because the wind is going to be very light, there's a possibility that we could see frost and also freezing conditions really just about anywhere because of our terrain, because of how the air flows when we get this very light winds and cold or colder conditions. There's a possibility we could see frost and or light freezing conditions for a couple of hours Sunday morning, both at the high elevations and also in the valleys, because with cold air being denser, it can sink down in the valleys, flowing like water down the mountain slopes when the wind gets very light. So the reason why I wanted to mention this is just in advance so you can plan. If you planted any plants or a garden or anything like that, anything that might be cold sensitive, or if you have any agriculture that could be cold sensitive, go ahead and make your preparations now, or at least begin planning now for what you'll need to do for Saturday night going into Sunday morning. Also bear in mind, the low temperature forecast is about 40 degrees, pretty much area wide once again. And again, when I say area wide, we're talking Gilmer County up to Polk County in Tennessee. We're talking over to Clay County in North Carolina, down to Towns County in Georgia. That rectangle of area, we're talking about this possibility of frost, because frost can occur when temperatures are measured as high as 40 degrees or even a little bit higher, because the very bottom portion of the atmosphere, right just a couple inches above the ground, can drop below freezing and cause frost. So wanted to throw this out here again just as a heads up. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some frost and light freezing conditions Sunday morning into Monday morning. Hopefully this is our last major cold snap of the season before we head into summer, but there's always that possibility of some cooler temps sneaking up on us just with our latitude and with the area that we live. So just bear that in mind as we head into this weekend and early next week.